What a snowstorm teaches us about life. It's been pretty crazy out here, guys. Powerful winter storm. Powerful snowstorm out here in New England. Crazy. You ever noticed how quiet the world gets after a snowstorm? Everything slows down. The noise disappears. The rush pauses. Today I came for a walk. Honestly, because winter always makes me think. Most people see snow and think cold, inconvenient, annoying. But smarter living is about seeing lessons where other people see problems. And a snowstorm, it's full of them. Let's walk a little bit. I'll share a few winter lessons, winter thoughts that go into my mind whenever I experience snow and winter. First thing I notice every time, movement gets harder. Your steps are slower. Your legs walk more. Your balance matters. Life works the same way. When conditions are perfect, anyone can move. But when things get heavy, stress, money, relationship, motivation, suddenly every step takes effort. And that's where most people quit. They say life shouldn't be this hard. But nature never promised easy. It promised growth. Snow doesn't stop you. It teaches you how to walk better. Smarter living means learning how to move with the difficult instead of fighting it. Shorter steps, better focus, calmer mind. Progress isn't about speed. It's about consistency, even when it's uncomfortable. It's been crazy, guys. Look at that. That's how much we got. Another thing storms teach me, you can't control the weather. You didn't order the snow. You didn't plan the snow. And you definitely didn't ask for icy roads. Yet, here's it. Life throws weather at us all the times. Bad days, bad news, bad timing. And most stress comes from wanting life to behave instead of learning how to respond. Smart people don't ask, why is this happening to me? They ask, okay, how do I move in this? You don't yell at the snow, you adjust your boots. You don't fight winter, you prepare for it. Same with life. You don't need perfect conditions, you need better decisions. Let's move on, guys. It's something personal, guys. Every winter I feel slower, less motivated, more thoughtful, more aware of what actually matters. And at first I used to think something wasn't okay about that. But then I realized winter isn't lazy, it's reflective. Trees don't panic because they're not growing leaves, they are building roots. Smarter living isn't always about doing more. Sometimes it's about pausing, evaluating, letting your mind reset. If your life feels quiet lately, maybe it's not empty. Maybe it's preparing itself. Not every season is for sprinting. Some seasons are for strengthening. Look at these footprints. Look at all that. They don't appear unless someone actually walks here. Dreams are the same. You can imagine all you want, but nothing changes until you leave marks. Snow shows efforts instantly. Every step is visible. Life does that too. Just slower. Your habits, your discipline, your patience. People want big change without small steps, but smarter living says, leave one good footprint today, then another tomorrow, then another after that. Before you know it, you've crossed places you once thought were impossible. It's getting dark out here, guys. And here's my favorite lesson from storms. After chaos comes beauty. The storm looks rough while it's happening, but after, everything shines, everything feels fresh, everything feels new. Life is funny like that. Breakups, failures, losses, confusion. In the middle, it feels messy. But later you look back and realize that storm shaped you. That storm cleaned space for something better. That storm taught you who you really are. Isn't avoiding storms. is trusting that something beautiful awaits you after them. It's getting kind of cold, guys. I guess I better go back. So life feels cool right now. If things feel slow, if progress feels heavy, remember this. You are not stuck. You are adapting. You are not failing. You are learning how to move differently. And just like winter, your season will change. Until then, keep walking, keep thinking smarter, and keep becoming better. This is Happysimus. Remember to live better, feel happier, and love much more.